Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's get the channel to 20k subscribers. Today it's a beautiful Saturday, guys, and I'm just gonna be showing you what I cook as a Jamaican country girl living in Jamaica, right? So yeah guys, we're gonna cook some chicken. Today I said so I'm not gonna really cook no rice and no flour. I'm gonna be frying some plantains and just cook some nice stew chicken on the side. So stay tuned, guys, and remember to leave a comment down below. Yes guys, let's go. Okay guys, the first thing I'm gonna do cut up the chicken. I'll cut up the chicken. I make me put it this way. No, I'm still chop. So just throw out. So the chicken, guys, I go cut it up. Like really the tops like Roxy, you know. Like Roxy, and I just make it go and work. I will put the vinegar in there and make it go and work. And then tough like a Roxy, and I mean no chopper. No chopper yet. So stay tuned, guys. Me I go catch the fire because the meat still frozen, even though I did have it a soak. So I go catch the fire. I have something missing like this. Okay, chop the fire. We're gonna put the coal in the fire. So find this fine, like the smaller one them. Back. It's supposed to be enough. It's supposed to be enough, guys, right? So I'm gonna catch a fire now for you guys. So stay tuned, guys, and remember, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do not watch the video and don't subscribe. I've constantly been saying this, that I'm gonna be consistent, but then I don't know. I know, but I gotta try. No, I'm not gonna try. I gotta do it. I'm going to be consistent, putting out a video today, putting out one tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, straight. Even when I'm not in the spirit to do it, I'm still going to put out a video for you guys. So stay tuned.
Some people say that reality is slow to change. That it takes time. That it takes hard work. That manifestation is just wishful thinking.
I use the last go, but I should have tear your fingers. Breeze a come blow for the outie. Yeah, so cool name this today. I will just catch the it's too much fun. Beautiful. I'm gonna make it go on something there. And then I'm gonna try cut up the meat them guys, so stay tuned for that. Wonderful. By the time I done something there, we will raise it. So I'm gonna cut up my meat now. So I'm gonna cut up my meat now, guys. So I think it's soft enough. If I get one of them choppers, my knife sharp still. We are cook stew chicken, so we are kind of cut it a little finer than regular. Regular cooking. Okay. Fire be tight to touch, guys. So take out the skin. After this a bone, maybe this have to go stay over. Put some brown stew. Anyway, anything we not cut more than how the bone too strong. Let me cut. Okay, but then, yeah, guys. And I will trouble this. This I will scrape off this with the pan. Come on, guys. I mean, I like. Come on, guys. So yeah, guys, just I chicken. The chicken well cut up now. I go get it seasoned up. I go just clean up the area and get it seasoned up. So stay tuned. Catch guys. Do you go and stand up here, sir? So yeah guys, the meat here will cut up and everything. I go get in the browning and the seasoning them. Guys, me not normally yeah, that one and that season. We'll add some jerk season. I guess this mix, you know guys, this has, I think I season to the brown and jerk season the pan this. So that's a one. This is the same thing. I think I same thing did in this too. So I just eat a well, only this alone may have a seasoning today. Yeah. Put the onion funny. I will put this in the fire. So, onion guys. On this. Then we put it. Don't want more season, may I throw up on it. You know it. Guys, well seasoned up. I have skillet and something, but I go wait till when it's soon done. Yeah guys, so we are gonna make this go and simmer down and everything. So yeah. Adding some oil. I put enough cajou stew. I'm have to put enough oil. Just put it. Hey guys, so I go add in the chicken in the oil right now. I'm gonna just put everything in. So yeah. Guys, I go turn the meat. Maybe you want to put water. No, you want water. You go and fry. Me even not come out the way I want it. Me zoom. Okay, I'm gonna put in. Okay, then don't fry already. Add the chicken. Then I take put brown skin without ketchup. Oh. Throw them in that pot. So nice, don't you think? Oh, nice. Yeah. Wait a minute, I have the I'm going to put some scallion in it. We got to put the scallion. Okay, so the stew chicken finished cook. I'm going to fry 2 plates now. So I'm going to tell you what you think about my stew chicken. Sweet. Yeah, guys, so this is what I have. Some plantains, beautiful Jamaican plantains. So that I will make a cook with my stew chicken today. You know, we're not cook no rice, we're not cook no dumpling. Plantain we're gonna fry. I'm gonna show you how me cut plantain, right? So I cut one part or so, then kind of sweet it come down, right? You don't have to do it exactly like me, but I'm just show you how I do it to get off the skin off of the plantain. I kind of do it a little bit too rough, but yeah, girl rough. That's just me scrape off some of that stuff. Put some salt on this. We do the same. This one. I go deep in it, one, man. The music, so I'm not sure I wish about the music up. Lights, camera, real just remember. I'll get the salt. That one here kind of turn, guys. I'll give me some that one here because he love turn plant. He not really like it when it's green. Yeah. I'm the future, you're his past. I was his stars for many nights. Lights, camera, now you're on. Yeah, guys, so let's show you the plantains. So all of them cut up now. I'm gonna put some salt on them. Make the oil hot and then fry them and then eat them, show you guys. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and if you're not subscribed, hit that post notification bell so that as I post another video, you see it. So Bye. Guys, so we are going. Hot. It's a pop. Alright guys, so this is my plantain and chicken. It's beautiful. Yeah, very, very beautiful. Very much delicious. I wanna not get none. Like literally not getting any. Ah. Okay guys, so plantain and chicken. My son eat a few more already. So he come. You done fry?
I want to fry man.
Yeah guys, plantain. Smell really nice. The reason why I'm not eat it yet because it's kind of hot. So I make it cool for one day. And these are finger foods, guys. You know, really need to have a spoon. But yeah.
It is.
Anyway, guys, it's the end of another video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Hit those post notification bells. Tomorrow, guys, posting another video for you guys. So keep posted.